Hello there and welcome to our channel. So a few days ago, a Redditor claimed to have spotted an email that Garmin sent to distributors about Forerunner 255 and 955 and gave us an idea as to what we can expect. Well, now we have the first official mention of the Forerunner 255 on a regulatory agency website. And while that does not tell a lot about the smartwatch, it does confirm some of the stuff. As rumored, there will be a regular 255 and a 255S iteration for smaller wrists. However, no word yet on the actual sizes. Just to remind, the 245 comes in a 42mm diameter case, which is smaller than the case for the Forerunner 235. Thankfully, we believe a larger 47mm case will be coming. It will be a huge sigh of relief for those with average to large wrists, or those who prefer big watches. The other information that has been confirmed is that both the large and small 255 will come with an option to purchase with built-in music. This is very much along the lines of the current Forerunner 245 line. The non-music variants will only have the Bluetooth and AND+ connectivity, while the music ones will have the addition of Wi-Fi connectivity. Other than that, there is nothing much to find in the regulatory website. If we go by previous leaks, all things point to an iterative upgrade, nothing groundbreaking. But it's set to get some new features, a running power integration along with a barometric altimeter, the new stamina metric and morning report. In case of pricing, if you do not need music and Wi-Fi, it will keep the price lower. The German Redditor leak says that the Forerunner 255 with music will retail for €400, that is around $425, and without music for €350, that is around $370. Well, there is nothing much else to tell you guys at the moment, so I will cut the video in short. But if something new pops up, I will let you know. That's it, thank you for watching and catch you in the next one.